Good morning, students. Class 8. I am Vijay Kumar Jha, your English teacher. Today, I am going to explain among you about your literature lesson 1. How beautiful is the rain. Dear students, I hope you must have opened your lesson before you to go through the lines and words of the poem. How beautiful is the rain. This poem has been written by H.W. Longfellow. The poet has tried to depict the importance of rain on the life form exist on the earth. You must have felt intense heat and dry spell of summer season, and you have also liked having rain at that time. That's why poet in the very first line of the poem has written about the intense heat and dry spell of summer season, how it affects human life and how it becomes pleasurable after such circumstances. What it gives us, it brings happiness and mirth to the sick man. You have to take care here that the person who are sick wants relief from heat to get calm and coolness of mind. After rain, they are blessed with the coolness of the importance of rain. Not only that, it brings gladness the heart of the children with utmost joy. Several children after rain comes out of their homes to enjoy rainwater, and no doubt they feel very happy to do activities in the rainwater. Not only that, rain brings relief to the peasants and all forms of life on the earth. It is very useful for the farmers also. Peasant means farmer. Write down the difficult words here. I feel that peasants means farmers. Peasants means farmers. Now, rain is useful for the farmers also and for the existence of all creature on the earth. These feelings have been quoted down in the form of poem by the poet H.W. Longfellow. In the very first paragraph of the poem, poet tells, how beautiful is the rain. Look your sentence, my dear students. There is sign of exclamation at the end of the very first line. Means here poet tells this in surprise. Means you have to understand the meaning of the line is that the rain is very beautiful when after the dust and heat, when there is all around too much hot and dust is flowing over all sides here and there, and in the broad and fairy street, you care here that the street which is too much hot, people feel too much difficulty to breathe also. In a narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. The lane that is narrow, that is hot, where there is dust, there is heat. In this situation, if there is rain, it becomes very useful for us. It looks very beautiful for us. So the rain is very important when there is dust, heat in the narrow lane, hot street. That's why poet has depicted the importance of rain in the first paragraph of the poem. I feel that you have opened this page before you. You have gone through each words and each line of the first paragraph, and you would have understood it. Now, in the second paragraph, poet depicts here the sound. After the arrival of the rain, there is pleasurable sense all around. Now the heat has been down, the street has become cool, but when it arrived, what sound it gives? Arrival of the rain has been depicted in the second paragraph. Now take care here. What does the poet tells you? How it clatters along the roof like the tramps of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. There is rain presently. It is raining. Poet listens the sound of tap 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 on the roof and compares here the arrival, the sound of the rain to the tramps of hoof. Just imagine, my dear students, at the time when a horse runs, there is a sound through its hoof, and the same sound the poet imagines on the roof of the house at the time of raining. So, poet comparing the sound of horse roof tells here that like horse, the rain has come on the roof. Now, after arrival, it cannot stop at a certain place. The raindrops started to flow, and poet imagines very surprisingly and tells here how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Poet feels here that the rain has come on the roof by producing sound like horse's roof. Now it started flowing from there, and now it has come out of the roof to struggle from the throat of the overflowing spout. You must have seen that there are pipes on your roof also for the rainwater to come out, and when there is a heavy rain, then the pipe has become overflow and rainwater tries to come out of that pipe's mouth. So across the window pane it pours and swift and white with a muddy tide. Now, my dear students, don't start your third paragraph. Today, only concentrate the first and second paragraph of the poem and keep an idea in your mind that the poem How Beautiful is the Rain has been written by W.H. Longfellow, and in this poem, poet has depicted the importance of rain after intense heat and dry spell of summer, how it makes life of sick man active, how it makes the hearts of the children pleasurable, how it gives relief for the farmers and all forms of the life on the earth. And through the first and the second paragraph, poet has explained here that the rain is very beautiful at the time when there is intense heat all around. In the narrow lane, when there is dust and heat, it is very important. And as a guest comes and makes our family happy by his or her presence, like that, as hoof of the horses produces sound, like that, the arrival of the rain also gives clatters, and now it started to come out through the pipe. Now your time is going to be over, so I would like to explain something more next para of your poem in the next part. Today till here only. Thank you.